Good evening, good afternoon. Wow, it's such a beautiful evening for me here in my place. And it has been long since I made a video. Guys, sometimes I'm so busy having been at home with kids because they have closed school. I find myself so caught up with activities in the house, but I'm really trying my best to give you nice uploads and videos every day. So today I'm out of the house, I'm in the compound just admiring this beautiful nature here. At night the compound looks so beautiful. Though I haven't been able to finish up the house, or is it the compound per se, you can see the place is looking amazing with all these flowers. And it has been raining so heavily of late, so everything looks so beautiful. As you can see, I'm so perplexed by this transformation when it rains, guys. You can see the grass is looking beautiful, and the plants that I planted the other day, they are doing great. You can see that flower there, and this other one here, they have already adopted their new place and they are doing great. So this is how my compound looks in the night. It looks like a jungle. I think I love just the way this plant here, I planted it yesterday in the evening, but I wasn't able to do a video about the activities that I was doing because I was in a hurry. But all in all, that is what I did, and I'm here to paint this flower vase. You can see the snake plants looks amazing, so amazing. And this other plant here, I want to shape it, so I tied it using these strings here. I want to make a shape of this small plant here, so as it can have a beautiful shape on top. You can see how I have done it. I have just folded the branches like that, and then I'll come, and when it is continuing to grow, it will form a very beautiful shape afterward. You can see the plants that I planted just the other day, they're doing great, and I'm so super excited, guys. This is how the compound looks at night. All these beautiful flowers in the flower vases that I painted, they are looking so great. I love it. You can see the transformation of the plants after it rains. It looks so great and so green. I want the place to be so green. And remember, guys, in this place it is usually so dry during the sunny seasons. So I do a lot of watering of these flowers most of the times, but when it rains I'm feeling so great because it really saves me a lot of time. And you can see the pawpaw tree is continuing to produce a lot of fruits, and this is so amazing. The croaking of the frogs. By the way, my place is quite swampy and it has a lot of water. It is called Oasis Village, actually. Oasis, I think it is an original name of a place with a lot of water. So here in this place we are surrounded with water. You can see this one I planted yesterday, and it is really beautiful. Flowers everywhere. I love flowers in my compound. That is how it looks. So amazing. You can see the view from far. Isn't it looking so beautiful? That is the home. Haven't completed my home yet. Another pawpaw here is producing fruits. When it is just small, it is very short, but it is doing great job producing a lot of fruits. So that is basically it. By the way, these fruits, I don't know what happened. I have found that it is getting dry and it is a rainy season. I think I put a lot of manure on it, of which I removed some of them today, because the manure, I think it is becoming too much for it, and that is why it is drying even if it is raining. And the fruits, some of them are getting dry, like this one. You can see it is getting dry already. That is how my small compound looks at night. So beautiful. Just admiring the compound. I love snake plants, the way they look. This one also I planted yesterday, and I'm here to paint the flower vase when I get time. Yeah, and that is it. So thank you so much for always keeping on watching my videos, for those who have always returned. So thank you so much. And for those who are new, feel welcome in this channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, so as I can continue feeling encouraged to do this work. Thank you so much, and bye. See you next time.